I'm Wendy Scott, CEO of FedEx Publishing, and I called NLR not at all. Actually, my insurance company contacted them when we had water through the roof and our place was unfit to live in. All I can say is the insurance was an experience, NLR were a delight. The staff were courteous and compassionate, and when you're going through having a whole new ceiling, lining, all of your things gone through, you really need that compassion more than anything else. And they also did a jolly good job. The team actually worked as a team. If they said they were coming at 8 o'clock, they would come to the door at precisely 8 o'clock. They were spotlessly clean themselves and pressed, which is really, really nice to see. Their manner was courteous, and my lounge has never been so clean despite previously having professional cleaners. They were amazing. Birgit was the most compassionate person I have ever met. She was amazing, the way she encouraged the team. She got the best out of them. There was never a raised voice. They were encouraged and they did the best that they could. And they worked hard. When they were here, they didn't stop. I am stunned with the result. I was expecting clean and tidy. Things were really, really clean. When the clothes came back, they were all in wardrobe boxes. This was pretty amazing that everything was on its hanger, straight from the dry cleaners. Absolutely. Absolutely. If I had a choice of NLR and others, I would choose NLR. Simply because they were decent, they were reliable, and they did a really good job, and I felt I could trust them.